Due to the coronavirus pandemic, we have adhered to the social distancing, but it may appear in the video we are sometimes closer. This is due to photographic angles. Welcome to the 2020 canal update. As you can see, there's still a lot of water from the rain in April between Bridge 4 and the car park. The cleaning of the old bricks from the swing bridge embankments carries on. This is Bridge 4 and the new retaining walls are being close to being finished on the non-towpath side. Hopefully the other towpath side will be finished this month. This is the reverse side of this wall. The towpath side of the old swing bridge wall. Also the area of the new retaining wall to be built. The new retaining walls will also include the slots for the new stop planks. The earth on the canal bed is holding out, and why we're trying to get this done as quickly as possible at White Houses. Due to the pandemic, we would have finished by now at White Houses. The trailer that we have for bringing down concrete blocks, bricks, cement and other supplies is working well. Now the next job is to build the brick walls in front of the concrete blocks on both sides of White Houses. Behind the concrete walls is going to be filled in with pea shingle to near the top of the walls. The mortar that has been used at White Houses is lime based, as it's more flexible than cement based mortar. The first lot of pea shingle. Yes, well needed tea breaks. Welcome back to the second week. As you can see at Bridge 4, the wall is coming on with the stop plank slot already in. The compounded earth down to White Houses has to be loosened up now and again.
This is a funny 8:15.
Things are moved on with the reinforced concreting. The brick facing walls have now finished. The bank benter mat has been laid with the blocking on top.
Where the artistic bit comes in. Oh, is that what it is?
Last day of the work party and White Houses is almost there.